our drink. This is Gardonia pineapple. O, kung mabasa mga pangalan, basta drinks and juice. And these are the salad. We are in the salad bar. Look at that. And there it is. We have the dessert ice cream. Later, we're going to eat for that later. And those are the dessert also. Some sweets. And these are the ayan, salad bar. But I wanna get the I want the oyster. So you need to fall in line to get the oyster. Gintong-ginto ang oyster dito. Kailangan pumila. Pila mo, 2 piraso lang ang makukuha mo. Tapos yung yung crab natin, no? Kunti na lang. We're going to get that later. Unahin natin si oyster kasi ang haba ng pila. Konti na lang, oh. Dati, kanina punong-puno yan, eh. Yung ating crab legs. So we need to wait for them because they are washing and cleaning it. Every time you get it, they will need to wash it first. So that's why you need to fall in line. The American oyster. So we're waiting for the American oyster. Ooh, so fresh. So yan na si ate. Need to open and then clean. But actually, you cannot eat much because high blood kayo. You need to eat only 2 pieces is good. 2 to 4 pieces maybe it's better. Kung hindi, high blood kayo. Mag-cholesterol. Before I can eat 10 pieces. Before you can get as many as you can. But as now, you can only get 2 pieces. And you need to eat it with a little bit spicy and some lemon. So you can get the taste of it better. And also to avoid any dirty things or any germs. So you need to put some lemon and some spicy sauce. So there is it. That's the partner of the oyster. So kayo, better kumuha kayo ng oyster kasi mahal yan. Para makabawi kasi mahal ang buffet. So bawiin nyo na sa kain. Hindi lang oyster. You can eat some seafoods there. Yan. Kasi medyo mahal yung mga yan. Kaya dyan kayo bumawi ng kuha. Yeah, wag yung masyadong carbo. Better eat some seafoods. Para makabawi. Hello. And also some salmon. You can get some salmon. Salmon is also good. I tried it before. It's so sweet and so fresh and so juicy. So I'm going to get some salmon again. Ay, ang liit. Ba't di kang lumiit? Gusto ko malaki. Look at that. Ganyan, no? Kailangan i-brush nila yon para at least tunay na malinis. Diba? Sure na sure ang kalinisan. So, this is it. Yes. And put something. Give me, please. Okay, malaki yung sa akin. I like it. Malaki ang aking oyster. Look at that. This is mine. Thank you. So, we're going to put some sauce. Huwag lang masyado kasi baka maanghang. Lagyan natin sa gilid. And then we need to get some lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's all. And then, nabang pila. Kaya dapat umalis na tayo. Oyster. This is my oyster. The 2 oysters. And now I need to line with for the shell. Okay, there's the salmon. I need to get some salmon. I need salmon and tuna. Hindi na siya tuna. 3 na. Salmon and tuna, please. Salmon and tuna fish. Ooh, over. Ay, walang tuna. Never mind. So this is the salmon, but I don't need the plate. So I'm going to put here and then just transfer it so that I don't need to bring the dish. Just put this one here. So it won't be that much for me to hold. So the salmon is so good. So these are the Japanese food area for the sushi food. See? So they're still greeting you Happy New Year. Yeah. Japanese pride of Japanese beef sa Gagyu. Asan ang beef? I didn't see any beef here. So ayan na po. Nakuha na natin. Nasaan ang beef? Sabi niya may beef. Nakita ang beef. Ito na. Nakakuha na ako. Then we need to get some other food here. Mamaya na yan, hindi ko naman makakain. Baka ma-high blood ako ba? Sobrang aking tiyan. I wanna get some of this. Ang pagana. I love olive. See, olive, where is Popeye the Sailor Man? Knock, knock. I like some this. This is an appetizer. And this one is the black olive. Yan. Kasi yan yung mga mahal. Yan ang kakainin ninyo. Pag kayo nasa buffet, yan ang bawiin ninyo at saka beef. Where's the beef? Namaya na tayo mag-ice cream. Kailangan yung talagang mamahalin ang talahin ninyo. And then we're going to get some, sikat din talong ha. Ang talong ba o, yung mga gulay natin. And then we also have a salad bar. Yan. And then, ito po yung paggawa naman ng cake. Yan, pang happy birthday natin. Yung mga may celebration, ito. Pero is extra, siguro yan. Ito, coffee. Meron vegetable. Ito yung mga juice natin. The juice. And then, bakit pila na naman? Oh no, pati beef bag pila. Oh no. Pinipila nila. So they are falling in line for the cooking of something. But I wanna get the beef. Asan yung beef? Ay,
呢度啲咩？呢度啲咩啊？
beef tayo.
黃牛係，試下黃牛。
Ayan. Ang liit naman.
啊，是但啦，你咩都試下嘛。
No, I like this one. Thank you. So small. So, palit ang ating beef. It's okay. Kasi natapos na yung malaki. Yes. Okay. So, ayan. Palit din ang plato natin kasi busog na tayo. So, it's going the Wagyu. At ayun naman ang pagluluto ng ibang lutuin. So, ito yung mga luto na nila. Ayan. Magpakabusog tayo sa luto. Pero, yan ang mga luto. Pero ang gusto ko ay hilaw. Iba-iba tayo syempre ng taste. Iba-iba tayo ng tayo. Ito masarap din to. So, ang daming mga lutong ulam. Daming, yan pala yun. Yung umuusok pa, oh. Umuusok pa yan, oh. Grill. Parang beef siya. Tapos ito yung mga luto ng pagkain hanggang doon. Ayan. Ito na. So, ayan na. Ang oyster ko. So, ayan ang chicken natin. Ayan ang iba't ibang putahe na luto. Kung gusto ninyo, mga luto yan. Pero ang gusto ko ay pilaw. Kaya ito ang kinuha ko, seafood. Samantalahin ang seafood. So, ayan. Oyster, pila ka ng oyster. Go, oyster.
I don't eat that.
Ay, don't eat oyster. Ayaw nga pala, no? So, ayan. So, we're going to get another one. Sister, kukuha ka? Ako dito. Kukuha ka pa? Mga lutong food. Ayan. May mga luto sila. Pero ayaw ko ng luto. Gusto ko yung Ito, sarap din yan, no? Ito ay beef. Yan, yan, yan. So ito, wow. Dugo yan, dugo ng baboy. Yan. Pero hindi ako kukuha niyan. Ito. Kasi yung plato nila mainit, taga na sterilize. So ayan yung mga cheese nila, mga chismis. Iba-ibang chismis yan. With the bread. So yung painitan yan, meron din tayong wine. Ayan, may mga wine tayo dito. Green drinks. And then, let's go and get the yan, sa mga gustong ngumuya na parang kambing at kalabaw, pwede kayong kumuha niyan. Ito, ayoko niyan, preserve. Ayan na yung salad, ayoko niyan. Hindi ako nakain ng ganyan. Dito, syempre, ang sasamantalahin natin yung mga medyo mamahalin na food. Like ito. Ang ating crab. Yung ating, so busy siya habang huli ka. Alan. We're going to get some of this. 1, 2. Kailangan limited ang kain nyo niyan, baka kayo ma-high blood. So, siguro mga 4 lang na galamay. Hindi galamay yan. What is this? Kabayan buntis. Yan ay crab leg. Crab leg. Yan. Okay. And then shrimp. It's just a little shrimp. And then baka mas masarap yan. Thank you. Or baka ipakapareho din. Ako, nagkamali ako. I wanna get some lemon. Naku, doble pa. Pasabak ako. Yes. Okay, that's all. Dessert mamaya. This is my second round. I think I only eat up to my second round kasi fully booked na ako. Dito lang busog na ako. Seafood lang. Busog na ako. Pero bawi na rin sa presyo. Ang presyo, Pasok ka muna, sister. Oo nga, sana mas masarap ito.
Sa'yo ba yun? Nalasing. Nalasing yung baso mo, natumba. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Ano nakatumba? Ewan ko. May gusto. May gusto.
Dito ko ilagay. Ay, dyan. Sabi ko, konti lang ang kukunin ko.